So every once in a while, your teacher might give you an assignment or some materials in a format called a PDF. There's special tools that you use in order to work with this file format, and I want to show you how they work. Let's pop into Google Classroom. Here's an assignment, and here's a couple of PDF files that I have to use to work with. Now, a PDF is just like a Google Doc. It's a file, just like any other file. It works a little bit differently, though. So a PDF is used if there is some fancy formatting. So you can see here that there is a hamburger to help me write a paragraph. I've got a menu that pops up, a toolbar that pops up that looks very similar to the purple puzzle piece. Read and write for Google Chrome. In a PDF, I can use these tools to read. So I can select what I want it to read. So I'm going to select these words and I'm going to click the play button. And you can see that it highlights. You couldn't hear it, but it read it to you. I can select a word and I can choose the dictionary and the picture dictionary as well. And those definitions can be read to me as well. So this is really helpful to read anything in this PDF. Now, of course, I can also use writing tools to actually do my work right on this PDF. And here it is. There's a T right here. And if I click it and then click down on the document, you can see that the cursor is flashing right there. I want to make this font just a little bit bigger. And now I can do my typing. I can type on my keyboard or I can use my voice. Using this tool right here, Talk and Type. Watch what happens. I think everyone should be using a Chromebook to do their writing. See how it popped right in there. I can move my text box around. I can make the font bigger or smaller or pinker or whatever color that you want. When you're done with it, click the check mark, and it pops the text directly into your PDF for your teacher to see. When you go back into, oh, I forgot to show you, there's also a play button so that you can listen to what you wrote, and that's super important too. Click play, watch it highlight, and it reads the whole thing, and click stop. When you are happy with that, you can click the back button and your PDF is updated in the Google Classroom assignment. When you're finished, you can click Turn In. I want to show you one more thing though. I'm going to open up another PDF because every once in a while you're going to see a file that opens up that looks like this. And this one is super fancy. So see how there's words here, but sometimes you're going to find that you can't select the words and click play. It's not going to read that to you because this, even though it looks like text, is actually a picture. So that's one of the things that makes it just a little bit tricky to use a PDF, being able to identify where the text is. But you'll notice if you can highlight it like this, then the play button is going to work to read it to you. If you've got some PDFs in your assignments in Google Classroom, why don't you give them a try? Use the reading tools. Use the writing tools. Give it a try right now.